Onwards to Infosys, which has been in the news under fire in the last few weeks, tried to assuage shareholder concerns in its annual report, where the CEO Shibu Lal admits performance has suffered at the company due to company-specific issues and that he is disappointed with the Jan-March quarter of FY12. However, he has ruled out foul play on the visa front and says that there was never any policy to misuse visas. Let's take you straight to Chandra Ranganathan in Bangalore from Infosys City. Chandra, what are the other details and what did he have to say to his shareholders?
Shibu Lal really addressed pockets of concern that various stakeholders have been expressing after the company's fourth quarter results. So he's gone out to really issue the address the credibility blow that Infosys suffered, and he said that the management is working harder than ever to deliver predictable performance, and that the past year was impacted not just by macroeconomic challenges but also the reorganization that the company underwent, and therefore company-specific issues also contributed to the declining growth trend. But as far as the trade-off goes between growth and margins, the CEO continues to maintain that growth and margins are equally important. So it's really not clear if Infosys will continue to hold margins precious and sacrifice growth in the process. As far as the wage hikes are concerned, he said that they will revisit the decision to give out wage hikes as soon as they are on the growth track. And an important message coming from him is really on the visa front. Remember, Infi is facing a barrage of cases in the US on visa misuse. Shibu Lal has come out and said that the company has not abused any B1 visas and that they have no policy to really use B1 to circumvent the H1B visa policy. So clearly a range of clarifications coming in from Shibu Lal in an attempt to assuage shareholder concerns.